So, I totally forgot to make an introduction video. Hello and welcome to Useapalooza with me, the Inconsistent Crafter. Today we're going to be working on some Halloween stuff. I'm making some eyeballs. You know the drill. Enjoy. Alright, so apparently what you should do is make sure it's all smooth and ready to go before you do this. So, I should have put more clay back here. And it seems like these beads kind of melted a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. Nope, it's not focusing on that. Well, there's like little pink dots around But I'm going to turn these into earrings anyway. But yeah, apparently I should have smoothed it all out before I put it in the oven. But I've never used, this is my first time with polymer clay, so I didn't know anything and I didn't do any research. So it's still my fault, but like, yeah. Alright, so here are the finished eyeball earrings that I did. So I got this clay from a friend who was moving and she was getting rid of stuff, so she gave me this glow-in-the-dark clay. And then I made some eyeballs with it, as you can see. So these are the green ones. These are all for sale on my Etsy. These are the green ones. These I labeled as peacock. I shouldn't, yeah. These are the flower ones. These are the rectangles, and these are slightly bigger than all the rest of them. Let's see if I can get a better. There we go. And then the skulls, of course, which you saw. They're the ones I did to show the glow-in-the-dark and stuff. Alright, yeah, so that's it. Those will be listed on my Etsy. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Useapalooza, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. So it seems I forgot to show off the other things I had made in the video. I just showed off the earrings because those are what I'm selling. But I also made these, and I somehow have lost the other one. So I don't know where that is. But it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to anyway. When it hangs on the ear, it's a little weird. It does glow in the dark pretty good though. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. And then with the leftover glow in the dark stuff, I just made a bunch of beads. I'd never made beads before, so I gave that a shot. Whoa! So I just put I just put them on an eye pin when I baked them, because that's what it said to do, and then it said I could use a drill to make the holes bigger later. Yeah, so I just put probably can't even see it anyway. But yeah, see, there's a tiny hole. And where's... So yeah, these are all glow-in-the-dark ones. Of course you can't see them glow. And then this one is from this mat. Let me show you. This right here. I just put the clay right on there, flipped it over, tacked it down again. And it makes a nice little, like, crater one, like a moon. If you could zoom in on the moon, that'd be great. Not my hand. So for some reason I can't get it to focus on the actual design of the moon. So maybe I could put a picture on it. But maybe you can see it glowing. See? Huh? That's something at least. So that one got some paint on it though. You probably can't see that either. A little bit. So I have to paint over that one. But that's it. That's all I did for those. And I just wanted to show it because I did show them in the video, and then I forgot to show you the finished ones after I baked them. So I don't know what I'm going to do with these yet. Probably paint them and put them on something, but I don't know. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.